Adding a person in Eclipse. There are two places where a new record can be added to Eclipse. These are the allocation screen and the person screen. This video will show you how to add a person from the person screen. When adding the person details, any field marked with an asterisk is a mandatory field. You will not be able to add a person without filling these mandatory fields in. Before adding a person to Eclipse, you should complete a thorough search to make sure they don't already have an ID. Use the advanced search function to check further. If your search doesn't find the person, you are now ready to add the person. To do this, click the person button. Click the add button. Click the type field. This allows you to select the type of person you are adding. The default option is always client, carer or family, household member. Click the type that is needed. Click the title field. This will display a drop-down of all titles available. Select the relevant title. Click in the forename field and type the person's forename. Click in the surname field and type the person's surname. To add the date of birth, first press the calendar button. Click the year field. You will now see a drop-down list of all years. Use the scroll bar to find the year the person was born. Select the year needed. Now a year is selected, you can select a month. Press the month field to show the drop-down list. Select the month needed. Now the year and month are selected, you can select the day. Click the date needed. To select the ethnicity, click the ethnicity field. This will display a drop-down list of all ethnicities available. Select the ethnicity required. Once all the person details have been entered, click Next. You will now be able to add a relationship to the person you've added. It will default to creating a relationship to the person creating the record. If you require the relationship to be added to somebody else, click Change. You will now be able to input the name of the person the relationship will be added with. Click the name field. Now start typing the name of the person the relationship is with. As you start typing, Eclipse will display a list of names available to select. Click on the name of the person you are adding the relationship to. It is now time to select the relationship type. Click the relationship field to display a drop-down of available relationships. You can now see a list of relationships. Use the scroll bar to find the relationship needed. Click the relationship needed. You don't have to add a relationship at this point. If you don't want to add a relationship, press the skip button. Finally, we are now ready to finish the creation. Once you are happy with the relationship you've added, or if skipped adding the relationship, you can now press Save. This will create the person record and take you to their person details screen.